Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Wyze Scale X, featuring full body composition tracking, accurate BMI and weight measurements, and a modern tempered glass design. With multi-user support, high-precision sensors, and smooth app connectivity, it's a smart scale built to give you clear insights and help you stay on top of your health journey. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Scale X. 1.5-volt AAA batteries. Quick start guide. Technical specifications. Let's break down the Wyze Scale X specifications. It features an ITO-coated glass surface with 4 independent leg sensors for accurate and stable measurements, and it's available in black or white. The on-scale display shows readings in pounds or kilograms and supports a wide weight range from 11 to 400 pounds, or 5 to 180 kilograms. On the scale, you can view weight and body fat percentage, while the app provides detailed metrics including weight, body fat percentage, heart rate, BMI, lean body mass mass percentage, visceral fat, basal metabolic rate, bone mass, metabolic age, protein levels, and body water percentage. Connectivity is handled through Bluetooth 5.0 BLE, with compatibility for Android 7.0 and above and iOS 12.0 and newer, plus support for Apple Health and Google Fit. Power comes from 4 AAA batteries included in the box. The scale measures 11.8 by 11.8 by 1.18 inches and weighs 3.96 pounds, or 1.80 kilograms. It operates in temperatures from 41 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5 to 40 degrees Celsius, can be stored between -4 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 to 55 degrees Celsius, carries an IPX3 waterproof rating, and includes a 1-year warranty. Overall, it's designed to deliver reliable, comprehensive body tracking for everyday home use. Product features. The Wyze Scale X doesn't just measure weight, it provides a comprehensive view of your health with 13 key metrics. These include body fat percentage, muscle mass percentage, BMI, visceral fat, basal metabolic rate, bone mass, metabolic age, protein levels, body water percentage, and lean body mass. With this detailed data, you can track your progress over time, identify trends, and make more informed decisions about your fitness and nutrition. Designed for versatile use, the scale features dedicated modes for babies, pets, luggage, and pregnancy. These modes allow you to measure weight safely and precisely in a variety of situations, whether tracking your newborn's growth, weighing pets, checking luggage before a trip, or monitoring pregnancy-related changes. Powered by 4 AAA batteries included in the box, the Wyze Scale X can last up to 22 months under normal usage. This extended battery life ensures reliable, long-term operation without frequent replacements, making it ideal for consistent daily health monitoring. The scale connects seamlessly to the Wyze app and integrates with popular health platforms such as Apple Health, Google Fit, and other compatible fitness apps. This allows you to track trends, monitor goals, and maintain a complete record of all your health and body composition data in one convenient location. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Insert the included AAA batteries into the Wyze scale and place it on a flat, hard surface for accurate readings. In the Wyze app, tap the plus icon, select Add Device, and choose Wyze Scale from the list. The app will search for the scale using Bluetooth and guide you through the pairing process step by step. Once the app prompts you, step onto the scale to activate it and send your first measurement. Enter basic profile details like height and birth year, so the scale can calculate accurate health metrics. Finally, connect the scale to your Wi-Fi network to enable automatic syncing, multi-user recognition, and cloud-based data tracking. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. The Wyze Scale X features a sleek ITO-coated glass surface with 4 independent leg sensors for precise readings, offering a modern, minimal design in black or white. In comparison, the Wyze Smart Scale typically uses tempered glass with metal sensor pads, providing durability but a slightly bulkier feel. Wyze Scale X has a clear on-scale display showing pounds per kilogram units with compact dimensions of 11.8 by 11.8 by 1.18 inches, while Renfo scales often include LED displays of similar size but may vary slightly across models, generally prioritizing simplicity over advanced on-scale metrics. Wyze Scale X runs on 4 AAA batteries, with up to 22 months of usage and connects via Bluetooth 5.0, syncing seamlessly with the Wyze app, Apple Health, and Google Fit. Renfo scales usually use 3 AAA batteries or built-in rechargeable cells and connect via Bluetooth 4.0 or 5.0, also syncing with Google Fit, Apple Health, and third-party fitness apps. Wyze Scale X tracks 13 body composition metrics, including weight, body fat percent, muscle mass, BMI, visceral fat, bone mass, BMR, protein, and more, while Renfo scales track 11 to 13 metrics depending on the model, covering weight, BMI, body fat percent, muscle mass, visceral fat, and water percentage, but often with less detailed in-app breakdowns. Pros and cons. The Wyze Scale X delivers accurate weight readings with 4 independent leg sensors and tracks 13 body composition metrics, including BMIA, muscle mass, visceral fat, and more. On the scale, you can see weight and body fat percentage instantly, while the app provides detailed history and syncing with Apple Health and Google Fit. It features Bluetooth 5.0, special modes for babies, pets, luggage, and pregnancy, long battery life up to 22 months, and a sleek, lightweight design that fits any home. On the downside, the scale shows only basic metrics on the display, requires the app for full data, and lacks Wi-Fi, rechargeable batteries, or smart home integration. The small display may be hard to read, and it doesn't offer activity tracking, voice feedback, or medical-grade accuracy. It's for indoor use only, has a 400-pound limit, and some metrics like pregnancy and heart rate are app-only. Despite these minor limitations, the Wyze Scale X provides reliable tracking and comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a great choice for everyday health monitoring. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.